Hey Vikas, I've been thinking, is SIP better than investing a lump sum?
Good question, Sapna. It depends on your goals. SIP or systematic investment plan lets you invest regularly in small amounts, helping manage market fluctuations.
So, SIP helps with market ups and downs.
Yes, SIPs use rupee cost averaging. When prices are potentially low, you buy more units. When prices are potentially high, you buy fewer, which can possibly lower your average cost over time.
And what about lump sum investments?
Lump sum is good if you're comfortable with market risks, but timing the market can be tricky.
Got it. SIP seems like a good way to stay consistent without worrying about timing.
Yes, that's one approach. It's about finding what works best for your goals and preferences. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.